In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an image from Google Chrome on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. This is a very easy method, and it's perfect if you want to save pictures from the web to your computer quickly and safely. Whether you're downloading an image for school, work, a project, or a personal use, this guide will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Before you start, make sure you're connected to the internet so Chrome can load the search results and images properly. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and type in any topic you want. For example, you could search for laptop, flowers, cars, nature, or anything else you need an image for. After you type your search, press enter on your keyboard. On the results page, look at the tabs near the top and click on Images. This will switch your search results from websites to picture results, making it much easier to find the exact image you want. Now, scroll down through the images and choose the one you want to download. Take a moment to make sure it's the right image, because once you save it, it will be stored on your device. When you find the image you want, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Save Image As. This tells Chrome that you want to download the image directly to your computer. After that, a file window will open. Here, choose the file location where you want to save the image. You can pick your desktop, downloads folder, pictures folder, or any custom folder that makes sense for you. If you want to keep things organized, it's a good idea to save your images in a dedicated folder so they're easy to find later. You can also rename the file before saving it if you want a clearer name. Once you've selected the location and checked the file name, click Save. Chrome will now download the image and store it on your Windows 11 computer. After that, you can open the folder and make sure the image is there. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an image from Google Chrome on Windows 11. It's quick, simple, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Windows 11 and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.